Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Stripe webhooks for subscription billing, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Stripe webhooks for subscription billing, start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Developers section on the left panel. Click on the Webhooks option to view your existing webhooks. Select the Add Endpoint button to create a new webhook. In the endpoint URL field, enter the URL where Stripe will send webhook events. Choose the events you want to listen for, such as invoice.payment_succeeded or customer.subscription.updated. Click the Add Endpoint button to save your new webhook configuration. Next, copy the signing secret provided for your webhook endpoint. Open your development environment where you will be handling the incoming webhook requests. Implement an endpoint in your application to receive webhooks from Stripe. In your code, retrieve the raw request body for signing secret verification. Use the Stripe library to construct a signature verification method. Pass the received payload and the signing secret to the verification method. Handle any errors and log the results to ensure the receipt is verified correctly. Once verified, process the webhook events according to your business logic. For subscription billing, update the customer status or payment records as necessary. Test your webhook integration using Stripe's Test Events feature. Monitor webhook events and ensure alerts are set up for failures or errors. Review the logs in your Stripe dashboard to validate that webhooks are being received correctly. Regularly check for updates in the Stripe API documentation to stay informed about changes. Doing so ensures that your webhook configuration remains up to date and functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.